Good afternoon, everyone. Hope I'm audible so that we can start up with the aptitude session. And today's topic will be the greatest and the smallest numbers. You all might be aware of the greatest and smallest number, and you might be thinking too that how simple the topic seems to be. But it isn't so. We will be starting up with some of the interesting questions in which you just need to use your mind. Be patient, think of it, and answer the question in the comment box. So, without wasting time, we will be starting up with the session. The very first question is: Good afternoon, everyone. You all need to write the greatest 8-digit number with all digits different. Now, you need to think of a number which is greatest, and that too of 8 digits, and all the digits must be different. Hurry up. Your answers will be awaited throughout the session. You need to be fast, quick, as aptitude is all about developing speed and your mental ability too. So hurry up. Okay. Yes. The greatest 8-digit number with all digits different. I asked greatest. See, what will the answer be? Very good. It would be what? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes, this would be the greatest 8-digit number. See, we can count 3, 5, 7 and one more digit, that is 8. So 8-digit number with all the digits different, and that is the greatest number too. So it's 9 crore 87 lakh 65,432. So these type of questions will be asked throughout the session, and you need to think and let me know the answer with the great speed in the chat box. The next one. Write the smallest 8-digit even number. You may repeat the digits too. So hurry up. Which is the smallest 8-digit even number? Hurry up, hurry up. Great. You need to increase your speed, students. Fine. Perfect. So greatest, if it would have been asked, we will start with the 9. But it has been asked smallest 8-digit number. So, and even number as well. So we know what are the even number ends with. It ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And since I need to make the smallest number, so I'll be using the digit 0. So what is the smallest 8-digit number? What it would be? 1, and then what? 7 zeros after that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this would be the smallest 8-digit even number. If you will be replying with the answers at a speed, it will be of great ease and interesting session too. So you need to buck up and increase your speed while telling the answers. The next one. Greatest 8-digit number using non-zero even digits only. So you need to tell me the greatest 8-digit number, but it must not use 0. Hurry up, fast, make up the greatest 8-digit number which must not use 0 in it? Hurry up, hurry up. Okay. See, when you will be trying, then only you'll get to know how good you are. Perfect. If you're talking about only even digits. So, first of all, what are the even digits? 0, as I told you, 2, 4, 6, 8. We have to use only even digits. So, greatest even digit is 8. And then I need to make the greatest number too. So, greatest number with even digits will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 8 will be the greatest 8-digit number. So how we will say it as what it is? 8 crore 88 lakh 88,888. Moving ahead to the next one. Seems to be an interesting session. Write the smallest 9-digit odd numbers. You need to make the smallest 9-digit odd number. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, I'm getting. Great. Smallest 9-digit odd number. See, odd numbers are the numbers which ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Am I correct? So smallest means I obviously cannot start with 0. So it could be 1. And then I need to make a 9-digit number this time. So I'll be putting up 8 0. How many zeros? 7 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then at last I'll put 1 again. So this could be the smallest 9-digit odd number. See, since it is an odd number, I have ended it with 1 and I need to make the smallest, so I put up the 0 because 0 being the smallest number can do that, and starting must also be with 1. So this would be the answer of smallest 9-digit odd number. That is what? 10 crore and 1. I hope it is clear. Great. Now the next one. Write the greatest 9-digit even number using digits greater than 4 only. Now you have to make greatest. Greatest what? 9-digit number. That must be even. So greatest 9-digit even number using digits which is greater than 4. So obviously, what are the digits greater than 4? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the digits which are greater than 4. Now you need to make the even number. See students, even number doesn't mean that all the digits must be even. Even number means that the digit must end with an even number. So what are the even numbers in it? In these two things, 8 and 6, since we have to use the numbers greater than 4. So now think upon it and try to make the greatest 9-digit number using digits which are as shown on the screen. I have written it for you so that it is easy for you. Now you need to make the greatest 9-digit number. Since we are talking about the greatest, we must use what? We must use 9. Isn't it? So we need to make the greatest 9-digit even number, and there is no mention that how many times can we use a digit. So I'll be writing 9 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last I have put up the 8. Why I have put up 8 at the last, students? Because my requirement was an even number, and since it was the greatest, I have used all the 9 and ended up with 8. I hope, am I clear? So you need to be particular. Since the question seems to be easy, it is requiring all your skills, it is increasing your speed and mental ability. So be calm and patient and try to solve the questions which are further. Think about the questions, what the question is saying, what is it demanding, what are its conditions. Write the smallest 8-digit number using 4 different digits. Now you need to make the smallest number, and you need to use 4 different digits, and the digits must be used 2 times each. Means you cannot use the digits more than 2 times, and you need to make the smallest number. Hurry up. Great. Monica Bhatnagar, that's great. You are giving up the answer. Perfect. But a little bit of mistake done by Amishi as well as Monica. Uh, Hurry up, think of it. The smallest number must have 0 as well. The positioning is little bit wrong. Amishi, hurry up. Great. So if we are talking about the smallest number, and that too of 8 digits, using 4 different digits 2 times each. So first of all, we are talking about the smallest number. So we have to use 4 different digits. So we have to think 0, 1, 2 and 3. सबसे पहले तो digits choose करनी है हमें कि that yes we have to use these digits. After using these digits, how can I make the smallest number? I cannot put 0 at the first. I need to put 1. Since I have put 1 at the first, now I'll be putting up 0. Why I'll be putting up 0? And how many times I can put up 0? 2 times. Because there is a criteria in the question that I can use each digit 2 times only. Now I have used 0 2 times. I have used my 1 2 times. Because for making the smallest number, smallest digits must be used first. So first of all, I have used 0 and 1, followed by 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. So this would be the smallest 8-digit number. Am I clear? So what is the smallest 8-digit number using 4 different digits 2 times each? It is 1,12,233. Moving ahead to the next question. Now, smallest 8-digit number. Again, you need to make the smallest 8-digit number using the digits which are prime numbers. Now again, there is a situation that you have to use the digits which are prime numbers, and at most each digit can be used twice. So hurry up, think of a number which is smallest 8-digit. First of all, they are talking about prime numbers. What are prime numbers, students? The numbers which comes in the table of 1 and itself are termed as prime numbers. And we know 1 is neither prime nor composite. So what will be the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5 and 7 are the prime numbers. Now we need to make the smallest 8-digit number using these prime numbers. Hurry up. So try making the number from these 8 digits. Very good. Perfect. Hurry up, I'm waiting for the answer. See, it seems that the aptitude is easy and you can make the greatest into smallest number. But while you are making, you need to be aware what the question is asking, what is the meaning of each and every word. Since I'm still giving you the time, you need to think. I want the correct answer from your side. The smallest 8-digit number that can be made. From your side. I hope am I audible to you all. So tell me the answer of this question. Greatest 8-digit number which is odd, and it must use 3 fours, 3 6 and 2 7 digits. By the question itself that we need to use 7, 6 and 4. And we need to make the greatest 8-digit odd number. So if I am talking about the greatest 8-digit odd number always ends with the number 1, 3, 5 and 7. So the odd number will end with 7. And since I need to make the greatest, I have to choose the biggest number out of these three. So it will be 7 again. So the number will start with 7 because we have to make the greatest, and the number will end with 7 because we have to choose an odd number. An odd number ends with 7. If now I have to make the greatest number, and I can use 6 3 times. So I'll be writing 6 1 2 3, and now I can use 4 also 3 times. 1 2 3. So using these digits I have created this number, and this number is what? This number is the greatest 8-digit odd number because it is again ending with the 7, because 6 and 4 are the even numbers. I cannot end my number with the 6 or 4. So this would be the greatest 8-digit odd number using 3 fours. As you can see, I have used 3 fours. 2 3 6, I have used 3 6 again. And what? Digit number using 3 different digits 3 times each. Now you need to make the greatest number. And this greatest number, what it must use? 3 different digits. And each digit must be used 3 times. So, okay, this is a quite easy question and we can do it. The greatest number means it must use the greatest 3 digits. What are the greatest 3 digits, my dear students? Yes, that is 9, 8 and 7. So basically we need to use these 3 digits, and each digit have to be used 2, 3, 5 and 7. So these digits will not be used in this question, as they are saying not to use prime numbers. We do not have to use prime numbers in it. And the smallest 9-digit number using digits which are not prime. So we can make this number, and this will be the answer of the smallest 9-digit number using digit which are not prime, if it would have been mentioned using digit. But now since it is saying you can use all the digits, so what could be the number if I need to use all the digits and make the smallest number? I'll be again making it 1 0 0 0, and so what? Yes, again 1 0, and then I have to use all these digits. So what it would be? 4 6 8 9. So this will be the smallest number.